contest is a great opportunity for the young generation of designers to really start thinking about what sustainable design actually means. And I think it's very important that they need to consider what's going to happen to the garment after the competition. So, you know, if they use 100% of cotton, it can be decomposed, but if they mix the cotton with something like polyester, the garment can't decompose. Thinking about the actual wearing of the garment, that it's like a good quality, that it's going to last for a long time, that it's well constructed, that it's easy to wear with a lot of different things, that it's not just like a trend thing, that someone will just wear for a season because they want to look like prairie girl or whatever the trend is that's going to last for a month. I think it's and it'll be good for them to think and to also see the values in your factory and change like this generation of students' opinion about Bangladesh, because you know Bangladesh is like a dirty word in terms of like garment manufacturing in the UK, and I think your factory is doing a lot to change that. And I think it's amazing what you're doing to help the workers and the people, and thinking more about them rather than just a garment. There was a factory that Aisha and I went to see, and we won't say who it was because that's not fair, but it just didn't feel like they had the same respect for their workers as you have. And I think that's very important, and I think what you guys are doing is amazing. You're changing people's lives. I think it's so good. You should be very proud. I guess fashion is always an evolution, you know, but I think there's a very big difference between like style and trends. I think I've got quite a lot of experience in this field because I designed for Next and Marks and Spencer's. So, you know, every month we'd have a different trend. And it was just this invention of these trends just to create more stuff. You know, I think it's very different saying, you know, there's like a zeitgeist in the air, you know, it's like, you know, people want to feel like comfortable and casual. So we'll make quite like comfortable casual jumpers that are quite stylish and end up looking like, you know, they're fashionable, to creating like different crazy patterns of jumpers just for the sake of it. Yeah, I think people have to be very careful and see the difference between style and trend. I think style can definitely be sustainable, but trend, I don't think so.